I'm Steve Hale here, Steve Hale Hearing, and today you're joining me in our Piece de la Resistance, our soundproof room, which was actually the old bank vault here at our headquarters at the old bank chamber. This room itself, we had this custom made for us, and it's completely soundproof, completely deadened with our nice colours and everything. One of the things that we hear over and over again from our clients once they've had their amazing Phonak Infinio hearing aids is that they're making phone calls, they can hear the person on the other end the best they ever can do, because the Bluetooth will go straight into both of their hearing aids. That some people have is they'll say that the person on the other end of the phone now can't hear them because their voice is much quieter. In this video, we're going to explain why and what you can now do with the latest update from Apple to negate this for you. So you've already got your hearing aids are already connected up to your phone. There's two ways that we can connect them to your phone. We can either connect it via the Phonak app, or you can just connect up via Bluetooth. If you need to know how to do that, check one of our other videos out, subscribe to our channel, and you'll be able to do that yourself as well. Okay, but essentially what happens up to now, on the Phonak hearing aids, these are the Sphere model, and on this model you've got two microphones. Now the microphones are actually sat at the back of your ear once this is in. If I pop this in my ear, so the microphone is actually up there. Now up to now, what happens is when you're talking to somebody on the phone, your voice has to get from your mouth into the hearing aid itself, and then the hearing aid sends it directly back to your phone, so that's how the other person hears you. Now we've got the option that you can actually choose to use the microphone on your iPhone. So rather than your voice having to kind of get up there, and sound doesn't like to travel round corners, so you can actually choose that you talk directly into your phone. Very simple, only going to take you a few seconds, and if we just show you in the settings menu how to activate this. Okay, so on your iPhone, you need to be running the latest iOS software on here to know what you're on. If you go into your settings and general, and then about, on here I'm running iOS version 26.5. I believe you've got to be on 26 or above for this process to work. If we then just scroll back, so if you go back into your settings, scroll down then to sounds and haptics, and within sounds and haptics there's a new menu here which is input. So that will be by default will go to your hearing aid. If you select on there and actually select iPhone microphone, you've done it. So essentially what you've done now is you're telling your phone, rather than taking the input from the hearing aid microphone, it's now going to take the input from your phone. Your microphone's obviously on the bottom of your phone, so if you hold the phone in front, or if you would prefer just to hold the phone as you normally would do, the sound is going to go directly via Bluetooth into both of your ears, but your phone is going to be the microphone on your phone is going to be picking up your voice to the person on the other end of the phone. Once you've done this, you'll notice you won't have any more complaints from the other side that they can't hear you. Hope this helps. Any problems, any issues, pop a comment in the comment section, and we'll get back to you. Many thanks.